So here we are. We've got the zip top. These are made in the USA silicone pouches. They're for like your lunches or anything with treats or anything like that. So if you need to put some bread in there, of course it's a sandwich, you can do that. Now they say it's waterproof, and to be honest, I don't think it's 100% waterproof. It is very tight seal, but if you had water in here and you shook it upside down, it would start to trickle out some, leakage there, I guess would be the best way to say it. But it is really good if you've got a damp sandwich, or anything that's moist. It is definitely going to stay sealed, and it's going to stay moist inside the actual package. No worries on that one. And the sandwich size is really good. And remember, if you're somebody who doesn't lose things and really wants to like recycle and reduce, these things are awesome, and they're very, very durable. This isn't plastic, this is silicone. And the small one's good. The small one's good for little treats and snacks, stuff like that. Let's see if we can get a couple of cookies in there. So again, just smaller pouches, right? So I mean, if you've got some treats you want to put in there, by all means, that's a good way to carry those things around. And here we are, we got 3. Let's see if we can't get 6 in there, because that would be the best scenario here. So we're up to 5. And now we've got ourselves 6 cookies, all nicely displayed, all set up. So let's see what we do. Can we close this now? And there we are, closing it all up. Takes a little bit more effort than a Ziploc bag, of course, because they're silicone, right? And there we are. We're all set. That's all gone. Now remember, these are all rewashable. And again, just make sure you put the right amount of effort into closing it. And there you go. That is perfect. So there you go. Put this bread back into this one. So again, nice sandwich size. Nothing to worry about there. And again, the silicone makes it as washable as you want. So remember, these bags, because they're silicone, are, as they say right on it, of course, they're very safe. It's freezer friendly, it's microwave friendly, it's dishwasher friendly, and of course, it is absolutely food grade. And this best part, if you're concerned, it is made in the USA. So there you go. Zip top, reusable silicone bags.